Hello guys, so today I am here to tell you how to fix the spinning looping washing machine. Press the right end and soak to turn it on, and then make it come to SPN 1200. So I came here to spin the washing machine more and more to increase the spin. And then it also came to 1200. And then press it and see if it's fixed. Wait for it until you turn off. If the spin's done decreasing. No, not spin. Spin. So you will know how to fix the spin looping washing machine. Now if it's fixed, now it can spin more and more to the highest spin. If it's doing something problemating, please make the spin looping into a spin increasing on the SPN 1200. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Like and subscribe and comment Samsung Ecobubble. So bye bye.